Our chicken coop is there, and we have a fenced dog yard that was here when we bought the property, and it is great for bringing the chickens in and allowing them to do their little bit of free ranging behind a secured fence. They're not protected from aerial predators, but we do have the deck, and we do have some lilacs and a poplar in there, so they have coverage if they want to. If they need to scramble. We don't see many hawks around here. The occasional bald eagle, but it never comes down low enough to be a threat to our birds. The blue jays and crows let us know if there's any predators in the area. They squawk so much. So now that the birds are in there, let's go get to work. Here I am in the run. We use the deep litter method, and since it's above freezing today, I'm going to take the opportunity to stir the bedding. I have my rake ready to go, and our chicken ramps are not permanently affixed. They're movable. So I just take the ramp out of the way. All of our latches and locks have carabiners on them because so far raccoons can't figure those out. In places where there's a gap in the door, we've put on a little spin toggle. Okay, you can see there is the roosting bar, and directly below it is the pile that needs to be stirred. Pleasant. I'm just going to stir the bedding up. I want to move the surface material in deeper and the lower levels up to the top, basically just stirring it. And I'll spread it out fairly evenly, and that's all there is to it. So now that I've stirred that up and made it so there's not a large clump of it clustered anywhere, this will dry out and decompose in place, start to compost. We replace our litter in the coops in September and April or May, when as soon as it's dry enough and not frozen in the springtime, we take all this old litter out and put it in the composter. And in September or October, before things freeze, we put in fresh and put the old stuff on the garden in the fall. If it gets nasty, like it is right now, it's getting to be, the next time we do this, we'll stir it, but we'll also add another half a bale or a bale of shavings on top of this so that the litter is deeper. This acts as insulation on the floor of the coop, so it protects the birds' feet from being cold. It helps keep the coop a little more draft resistant, and it keeps them warmer. As it's composting in place, it adds warmth naturally as well. We do have to watch the humidity. Our humidity is 65%, so it's a little higher than it should be, but it's been raining for a few days. We just wait for this to settle out. It's 11.5 degrees in the coop though. That's nice. It's only 9 degrees outside, so it is warmer inside. They'll sleep well tonight. Keeping this humidity down is important. That's why we opened the sides of our coop the way we did. I showed you in a video just recently. So that's that. That's all there is to it. We do that every week and top it up when necessary.